Are you wondering how to remove that extra buying power on Robinhood? Let's break it down. Buying power reflects your available funds from deposits, selling stocks, or margin. To reduce or remove it, you will need to either withdraw unused cash or disable margin. Go to the app and tap on the account icon at the top right corner. Then choose Settings. Here, choose Robinhood Gold or Margin Investing. From there, toggle margin off. That will shrink your buying power to just what's settled in your account. Just be careful. Disabling margin might restrict some trades or liquidate positions if you are using borrowed funds. Ever been confused by your buying power's numbers? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.